Hello, so I am Curl Type 3A and these are some of the curly hair products that I have tried recently, and here is what I think about each one. Let's get into the video. We are going to start with shampoos. So there are two new hair care shampoos that I have tried. One is Just Herbs Volumizing Shampoo. It's got fenugreek and shikakai. Now, I very much wanted to like the Just Herb products because they're natural, they're cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, 100% herbal. So I was like, this would be a nice brand to enjoy. But unfortunately, this did not work very well for my hair type. I have kind of thick and coarse hair. I just feel like this was a little too mild and too gentle for me, if you know what I mean. I know a lot of people don't understand that. Oh, how can anything be too gentle? But yes, there is such a thing as too gentle, especially in 2025. Don't be too nice, people. Do not be too gentle. They are going to eat you alive, okay? So this shampoo is a pass for me. I am still using it though when I feel like I don't have a lot of grease or if I haven't oiled my hair. This is going to get the job done if you use it like a couple of times. So ain't nobody got time for that. But you can also use it to clean your makeup brushes. That's what I do for shampoos that I don't enjoy as much for my hair. Another shampoo that I got, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't tried this yet. This is Curlvana's Fortifying Curl Cleanse Shampoo. This is new in their line. I have tried their shampoo that they had before and I didn't really like it that much, which is a little unfortunate because I feel like Curlvana is a great brand for curly hair. I have tried their curl mask. I didn't like that. I have tried their curl cream. Loved the curl cream. I have also tried their shampoo and conditioner. Not a big fan, but this is something new that they had and I liked that they called it a curl cleanse, as in it's just going to clean your hair. We don't need too much with the hair. You just want to get it clean. Okay, that's the only job of a shampoo and I'm excited about trying it. Hopefully it is not that mild. I'm going to let you know what I feel about this, but this hey, it's matching me right now, so that is one that I'm looking forward to. Next up, let's talk about conditioners. I tried a new brand again. This is Anomaly by Priyanka Chopra. I do like the products, though I was getting a lot of mixed reviews on the products. Some people love them, some people hate them. Their USP is that they use recycled plastic. It's like environment friendly. The bottle is thinner so you can see that it does create this little dent, but hey, I do not care as long as the product is good and as long as the packaging isn't broken. So I wouldn't call this broken, but yeah, it's not the most aesthetic. I would rate this conditioner probably a 3 out of 5. It could have more slip for my hair. It's not the best, but I did enjoy using the conditioner. It does get my hair feeling really soft. I did not use it today, but I have tried it in the past. As you can see, it leaves the hair feeling softer, more manageable. It has a murmuru and jojoba. Another conditioner that I got from Just Herbs. Now, I had really high hopes for this product because this is not a very cheap product. This is for about, I think, 700 rupees or something, and you can probably get it for sale for cheaper, but the amount of product that comes in here is really not much. I have used, I think, one more uses left. So with the hair mask, the thing is that you need a lot of product. And considering how much you get in here, there isn't that much. I feel like I got maybe 5 or 6 usages. That's like over $100 per use, and I did not see that much of a result. I saw some curly hair reviewer on YouTube rave about this, so I was really expecting a lot, and it did not deliver as such. This is their, it used to be called the Shirulipam hair mask, but now they just call it the moisturizing hair mask with amla and shikakai. They changed up the packaging a little bit, but the product is the same. This smells really good. It has that nice like thick hair mask consistency, but it did not create that like a lot of slip for my hair. So maybe because my hair type is different from the reviewer that I watched, so probably that's why it fell a little short. But yeah, definitely not going to buy this again, especially for the price. I would not say that this is worth it. Next up, let's come to leave-in conditioner. So this is a product that my stupid brain used to think is not required. It's like primer. You don't really need it. It's like a setting spray. Not really needed that much. But of late, I'm watching a lot of like hair experts talking about the importance of a leave-in cream or a conditioner, which is why I started buying leave-in conditioners. And there are two that I want to talk about. So the first one, I have already talked about this. This is in fact an empty. There's nothing left. This is a Bare Anatomy's curl intensifying leave-in conditioner. So this is one of those products, like great product, terrible packaging, like terrible. The pump, absolutely useless. Like nothing ever came out of the pump. Like nothing came out of it. I always had to like twist it open, use up the product, and then twist it back. And that is, let's face it, it's inconvenient. Like I do not want to be doing that. If there is a pump, I want to be able to use it. And because of that, like when your hands are like wet and greasy in the shower, you drop a lot of things, and there is like a big crack in here because I must have dropped this like 20 times already. Again, Bare Anatomy, I really liked the product. It left my hair feeling so soft, like I wanted to keep touching it again and again. The product's really nice, but the packaging, please change it up, do something better. There is no excuse for having a pump that does not work. Like, there is just no excuse. So I'm not going to be buying this just for that reason. Plus, I want to keep like testing out new products for you guys so I can review them. Another leave-in cream that I got is one by Anomaly, again, Priyanka Chopra's brand. This one has avocado and murmuru butter. The conditioner has murmuru and jojoba, and this one has avocado and murmuru butter. So I can tell that they love this muru thing. I have no idea what that is. Muru. I will Google it, and I will paste it over here so you can read whatever that is. But I like the sound of it. It sounds like it's going to leave my hair soft, and I have finished almost half the bottle. This is again a really nice one, and for sure packaging is simple. They don't have a pump, which is fine. If you don't know how to do a good pump that works, then don't do a pump. I'm fine with a squeeze bottle like this. It works just fine. And yes, I do like this. It worked really well for my hair. Wash your hair with a shampoo, use a conditioner, rinse that off, and then use this leave-in cream. For sure, if there's anything that you take away from this video, and if there's anything that I've taken away from watching these hair experts this year, is that a leave-in conditioner or a leave-in cream is very much important, especially if you have dry curly hair. And if you have curly hair, you are prone to frizzies and you're prone to dryness. So do try a leave-in conditioner, and it will be a game changer for you. I promise. It will be. Next up, let's talk about curl gels. All right. One of the first curl gels and curl creams I tried ever, like 2-3 years ago when I first started using curl products, was the Curlvana. I love Curlvana's curl cream, the blue bottle. So for reference, I have wavy to curly hair. This is the before shampoo video. All right, so here are the after results. As you can see, the hair is looking much better. I just washed my hair like I normally would with my shampoo and conditioner, and then I parted my hair into two. Didn't even section it out properly because I was just testing this out, and then I used a coin-sized amount on both sides. It turned out pretty good. I love the results. What do you think? The curl gel is really good as well. This is my third bottle, by the way. I even bought one of them for a friend of mine who did not know how to take care of her curly hair. So this is the third bottle, which is saying a lot for someone who does not like to stick to one thing ever. So the reason I stopped buying this was because I wanted to test out new products. I want to try new products and review them for you guys and see if something really blows my mind. But again, I couldn't resist. This was on sale. I went back to it. I think they have collabed with Thrive Cosmetics. I will link everything in the pinned comment so you can check it out. I love the Curlvana gel. I love the Curl Banner gel. Like right now, this is the only product that I used on my hair. I have used their gel. It is super humid. I do not have the fan on right now because it makes a noise. I do have one over here, which is probably the buzzing sound that you hear on the mic. It's humid. Okay, is that sweat? And my hair is fine. It is contained, it is still curly, it's not. Every time, these new neighbors are never going to be done building their house. Every time I sit to film a video, they start drilling or kicking or plumbing or woodwork. Like, I have no idea what they keep doing. Anyway, they've stopped right now, so let me just quickly finish this video. It is not a thick gel, okay? It is a very soft gel. So I just use it right after I get out of the shower when my hair is still wet. And it works really well when it's not like dripping wet also. When it's just wet, there is a lot of slip because this is a very liquidy gel. There's a lot of slip, so it's very easy to use and you don't break a lot of hair in doing that. I just like to like emulsify it in my hands and just use it all over my hair, and I am loving it. And I'm like, thank God I went back to the OJ Simpson? OG. Thank God I went back to the OG of hair curls, the Curl Banner curly gel, the red bottle. This is the one that works really well for me. That's the only gel that I recently tried. I have a few more gels, but I already talked about them in my previous videos. I will link some of them down below so you can check those out. That is what I have for you today. Again, to recap, just use a mild shampoo to get your hair washed and clean. Then use a conditioner, rinse that out. Then you want to go in with a leave-in cream and then your hair gel. Now I do sometimes use either this or that. I don't use both of these together, but it's too much work and sometimes you just want to get out real quickly. So if you have to choose between one, I would go for the leave-in cream instead of the conditioner. But if you can do both, then fantastic, even better, more power to you. Because when you have like curly dry hair, it is screaming for hydration and moisture. So you want to give it as much of like conditioning as you can get away with without weighing down your hair. Have you tried any of these products that I mentioned today? Let me know in the comments section. I would love to hear. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!